morning, second class children. Get ready for the Hindi class now. Yesterday I had given the poem, isn't it? What is that? Which kavita I gave for you? Rail Gadi, isn't it? You have done the practice. That is Rail Chali. What is the poem now I had given to you all? Yes, tell me now which poem I had given you. Have you done the practice? Chuk 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 chuk. Rail Chali, bhai Rail Chali. Chuk 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 chuk. रेल चली भाई रेल चली पटरी पर आगे ही आगे, पटरी पर आगे ही आगे हम सबकी रेल चली, हम सबकी अब रेल चली। हेमा केशव तुम भी आओ, एक दूजे के पीछे लग जाओ, रेलगाड़ी बढ़ाते जाओ, सीटी देकर रेल चलाओ। दिस कविता yesterday and day before yesterday also I taught you, isn't it? In practice section आप लोग पढ़े, अभ्यास किए कि आप लोग? Have you done the practice? Very good children. So please keep on doing this practice. Okay, today teacher will give you singular plural. Have you learned in the English? Okay, like what is that? What is boy, boys, isn't it? House, houses. So like that in Hindi we are going to learn. That is, what is that? Vachan badlo. Okay, not ling badlo. This is vachan. Ling badlo also I will give you. What is a ling badlo? Masculine and feminine. 2 bits today I will give you. Please copy down this. One I will give you the change the genders. What is that? In which way? Boy or girl, girl to boy. Okay, either this or that. And another one today I am going to give you the bit is vachan badal kar likhiye. Okay, are you all ready now? Let me start first the singular and plural words. Okay. So वचन बदल कर लिखिए. Now heading I am giving in Hindi children. In English also I will give you. So be careful with this headings all now. Now simple bit. वचन. Heading this is वचन बदल कर. Change singular to plural. That is the meaning for this heading. बदल कर लिखिए. What is the meaning for this heading? I am going to show you in English also. Change singular to plural forms. Change singular to plural forms. Is it clear now? Can you able to follow? This is a heading for that. Okay. Now let me start with the first one. Tara. Tara. Star. Tara का मतलब stars. Give hyphen mark. Then you write tare. Stars. What is this? Tare. Okay. Next one. Kela. Kela. Banana. Kele. Bananas. I am translating in English also. Okay. Chuha. Rat. Chuhe. Rats. A matra. You are placing the A matra sound, children. Ladka. Ladke. Ladka. Ladke. Fifth one. Jhula. Jhule. Jhula. Jhule. Is it clear? The next one, sixth one. Anda, say angur. This is a letter. Anda, ande. Okay. Next one. We can write. Next one you can write. Mela, mele. Mele. Okay. Thela, cart. Thele, thela, thele. So the next one we can write for the another one. I will give you the another word for you. Karela, karele. Karela, karele. Bitter gourd, bitter gourds. Okay, so many bitter gourds. 10th one. Next one we can write. 1 second, children. For paid, you won't get singular plural. You have to get only one only. Okay. The next one is. So Tara, Tare, Kela, Kele, Chooha, Choohe, Ladka, Ladke, Jhoola, Jhoole, Anda, Ande, Mela, Mele, Thela, Thele, Karela, Karele. Okay. So these are the what? Singular to plural forms. Change the singular to plural forms. How we had changed? See? Star, stars. Banana, bananas. Rat, rats. Boy, boys. Swing, swings. Okay. Here in Hindi again egg, eggs. Anda, ande. Fair, fairs. Thela, cart, carts. Karela, bitter gourd, bitter gourds. Okay. Is it clear now? So this is the only one bit I had given in the board. One more bit I am going to give you. Just be ready for that. That is, what is that? Rhyming words, or I will send you with the message. Singular, not singular to plural. We will go for the masculine to feminine word. Okay. So first you copy down this one. We will go for the next rhyming words, children. That is most very important objective for you all. I will give you the rhyming words. So be ready for that rhyming words, children. Okay. Now listen here. Rhyming words are same sounds. Okay. Rhyming words will give the same sound, children. Then what is the next one? Rhyming words. What is that? Rhyming words. Rhyming words. Okay. Now get ready for the rhyming words. Same sound. What are the sound? See. Thela, 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 thela. Same sound. Second one. Tail, rail. Tail, rail. Okay. Next one. Next one we will go for paid, bhed. Paid, bhed. Sheep. Fourth one. Next one will go for bale, male. Bale, climber. Male. This is another one. Male. Okay. Next one we will go for CT. No, don't want this one. CT or other words. Any other words is there? Okay. Bale, male. This is enough. Thela, kela. Anda, danda I can give, but the letter becomes matra for the separate letter. I can't give that one. So this is enough for you. So what is it? Thela, kela. Tail, rail. Paid, bhed. Bale, male. Okay. So rhyming words, what you are getting now, only 4 teacher had given to you. And another bit is here. You have to naye shabd banavo. How to frame the new words. So all related to what your matra hai. A matra only, children. So make a new words and write. All small bits I am showing you all how to join. Make a new words. Frame a new words. How will you follow? Listen here. How to frame a new words. Listen here. First one. Start with the bay. Here you have to join the letters. I think everyone can do it, isn't it? Bela, Kela, Thela. Next one, Mela. Now this one letter should have to join here. Here you are getting what? Bela, Kela. What is the next one? Thela. Mela. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so 2 bits I had given here. Make a new words, 1 model I gave. Rhyming words I had given 4 children. So keep on doing this type of practice. I'll send it in the notes and do this practice. Another 1 bit I'll give you related to that matra. That's the same A matra words only. Okay, none other matra. Then we will start with the I matra. Name the pictures. चित्रों को देखकर नए मात्रा लगाकर लिखिए. So I will send the pics for you. You have to find out the name of the pictures. Otherwise, you paste the pictures of. Otherwise, I will send it in the message for you all children. Do one thing. I will send the name of the pictures. You paste those pictures and write their names also. And if it is possible, if you want to draw, if you are drawing, then you color it. No teacher, we will paste those pictures. Then okay, fine. You paste the pictures and write the names in the below. Okay. Thank you children. Our class is completed today and tomorrow we will start with the next matra. Okay. Be safe all of you.